up, girls? They're watching. What's up, beautiful people? Thanks for tuning in. I appreciate you. You know I do. Curl. Welcome back for another video. My girl and guys, what's poppin'? Locking y'all. I done had my hair straight for the last, can we say 3 weeks? 3 weeks. So the first go around, I had a U-part wig. So she just flat ironed the front. And then the next day, it was for a photo shoot. So then the next day, she flat ironed it again just to fix it, right? So then that next week was my birthday. So for my birthday dinner, I flat ironed the front. And so then that weekend was my birthday party. You keep it up? So I flat ironed it then as well. Did I wash it? I ain't wash it or nothing. Did I? Well, I can't remember. Yes, I did. I did wash my hair over. And then I flat ironed it that day for my birthday party. And then it was left in that ponytail. So I just kept doing the ends over with the what's it called, the wine curl. So we're just gonna see. So then after that, as you see, I just put them in braids, and then we'll do that, or I will put, this is a good hack. Okay, here it is. This is, okay. I think we are out of headbands, but this is the Nae2Curly Apparel headband. But what I would do, so if I got the wig on in the back, I would tuck this underneath my headband. Especially if I want to keep putting heat on it. And just push that on back. And so then this part had the wig on it. Front was in a ponytail and I added a little bit here. I did my best. So it's so ghetto. What is that? And then I also call myself dyeing it. Where? Just because y'all know how these videos go. Like, we legit, our goal is not to create that, but sometimes if you get heat happy, it can happen. Which is why I think if you want to stay a curly girl but still be protective, I feel like, my personal opinion, if you heat happy, if you know you can be heat happy, is to just do a curly wig. I'm gonna say it because I could have did a braid out like this one and just blended it with the rest of the hair, or did a braid out on that hair. Could I don't know, probably. Or just have some discipline and just be realistic. Like, I want to switch it up too, so I totally get you. But yeah, y'all, this got tricky, and I knew it would. Look at my edges, polar edges. I think I did a video on that. I don't know which one's going up first, but basically that U-part wig was way too tight for me, and my edges are already sensitive, and so I basically should not have done that because it was actually sewn down. It wasn't combs, and it was so tight. I only had it in for like a week and a half, and I said, oh, this gotta come out, because it wasn't loosening it up. And for me, that's unnecessary tension. So yeah, our goal today is to see if my hair is going to revert back. All right, so let's get this video started. Girl, let's get it. We back. Okay. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna revert. I honestly am not washing my hair today. We're doing a twist out. So. Are we ready? All right, let's go. I'll stop using this bottle because it's broke. Ooh, it smells like flat iron. God, this bottle is so broke. All right. Last time I did this, I did like a time lapse. This is so, I shouldn't have braided it. You really can't tell. We're gonna have to go off the roots. We're seeing something here. So yeah, let's do it just a slight co-wash. I know them roots better catch it back up. Which is weird because I haven't really been at my roots, so it's really the ends. And I'm like, hey, because you know, like a lot of us have different textures, so the front is definitely a looser one. And then my back has been, all the way in the back has been super sensitive to heat. So I'm like, if I do anything to those, it gets tricky. Let's add some conditioner, shall we? Yeah, them roots needs to come on, hurry up. Alright. Put some conditioner in there. Wake up, curls. They're watching. It would be so backwards if the roots do not curl up. This would not make sense to me. Maybe just the hair is heavy. We're just gonna say the hair is weighing down on it, but I don't know. It's kind of confusing me. Okay. The reason I'm reacting is because this is kind of backwards to me. If anything, I thought my ends was messed up, not my roots. So this is throwing me off. Have I entered into the ghetto? These pieces are straight up straight. Oh my gosh, what did I do? Now here's the thing. When I washed my hair the first time around, I did not look at I didn't look at my hair fully. Like I didn't look at the roots. So I don't know if this is from me or the first initial style, but I have never, you know how we do these videos for fun, but not to really like be shook by something. So I'm a little thrown off right now. Is all of it like that? Why is the middle like that? Why is the roots like that? Hold on. Trying to show you all my hair and if it reverted. And what we discovered is that my roots are fried. The girl. Okay, so yeah, that's what my root is looking like. We're not gonna panic. We're fine. I'm fine. Tell them my story. Ooh. I'm breathing through this, okay? I am processing and I'm breathing. I'm okay. Are you ready to assess what's going on here? Okay. So, what I am seeing is that the middle of my head, the roots are straight. So basically, what I should have avoided, you see that straight thing? Straight. You see that difference? Y'all see the difference? All right, I can't. What the positive I'm gonna find? I've been in a game too long to be playing games like this. All right, so all right, we're just gonna do my hair because either way, I'm just glad that the rest of it is curled, but like I don't have all of it damaged. I'm just trying to find positives here, y'all. This is what I'm doing right now. This is live. This is not fake, like so I'm glad that I can still like play it off because the rest of it is still good, and we'll go from there. That's all I have. I'm about to style my hair and cry.